Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the client panel. Let's get started. Expand the client panel to view and edit client data. The client panel gives you immediate access to the property owner's key billing and contact information. Remember, the client's billing address is often different than the job site address. To edit any information, simply click into a field and update it. Changes are automatically saved. The name of a user who last made changes is displayed right here. Another very useful feature, Blade utilizes WebSocket technology to keep your team in sync. When you make any change to client, job, or invoice data, other Blade users see that change on their own screen in real time. Edit the first and last name as needed. These fields are self-explanatory. The display name is the preferred name that appears on screens and on printed documents throughout the app. It allows you to personalize communication and content. For example, if the client's formal name is Benjamin Hogan, but they go by Benny, enter Benny Hogan as the display name. Or if there is a second insured, enter both names as the display name. The DOB is the client's date of birth. If you need to involve a collection agency to collect amounts due from the client's date of birth is required for demographic verification in the US. The general client info is a free-form field for notes about the client. Use this field to enter preferences, gate or door codes, information about the client's angry dog, or other important info that users of the mobile and website apps can see at a glance. Use the co-client section to add an additional person related to the job, such as a second insured, spouse, or a co-owner. Click the green-colored Add Contact button to add related contacts, such as the client's family members, property managers, or emergency contacts. Okay, let's cover the 4 buttons at the top right side of the client panel. The QuickBooks button will be enabled if your account has activated Blade's QuickBooks integration. Click this button to see QuickBooks customer, invoice, and payment data in real time. Blade will automatically create a customer in QuickBooks when a new project is added to Blade. If you activated the QuickBooks integration after you already created projects and clients in Blade, you'll see this message when clicking the QuickBooks button. Connect this existing customer to QuickBooks by opening any invoice. Click Invoice Actions and sync invoice to QuickBooks. This action connects this client to QuickBooks and links all job invoices and payments. A link is made between Blade and QuickBooks in short order. After the link is established, view QuickBooks info in Blade, and all future changes made to client, invoice, or payment data will be synced automatically. Learn more about the QuickBooks integration in the Support Center. The transfer log is a record of all major external data transfers related to this client and related jobs. It lists such things as emails sent from Blade, Xactimate exports and imports if integration is enabled. Click the New Job button to quickly create another job for this same client. Click the Delete button to delete this client. Be aware, deleting a client will delete all jobs associated with this client and all information associated with each of those jobs, such as invoices, dry logs, documents, etc. If you accidentally delete a client, contact Blade Technical Support to restore the client. We will attempt to restore all data, but there is no guarantee of full restoration. Okay, that's a quick overview of Blade Client Panel. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.